drugs, these things are the best thing ever. I just love them. Don't you love them? You dumb nut. You can't even stay awake half the time. I despise drug dealers. Now what are you two doing? Gun down. Which gun? Ha! Hands behind your back. Stand up. Come closer. Run! Run! Okay. Let's see. Hey, what is this lucky nut? I'll keep it. It might just be lucky for me. That didn't happen.
Gosh, we need to get to our own hideout. The other one's been taken over.
Do they got away from him?
Move! Gosh, I think we need a nap. I think we really need a nap.
Yeah, I'm the best sleeper in the universe. We really need a nap.
One night later.
Oh, where's our guns? I don't even matter. We made it another night through without that stinking drug dealer who hates drug dealers. Hey, he's not a drug dealer.
Yeah.
Hey! You make fun of me?